The Orange Boys in the Shakespeare Garden. Once upon a time, there were 5 orange boys, and their names were Molan, Conan, Bolan, Gonan, and Shannan. They lived with the classical music boxes and the kind rabbits in the Shakespeare Garden of Central Park. "Oh, they still laugh at us," said Molan in a sad tone. "I used to hide my face with my hand, but they always see me," said Molan, and his voice was very angry. Gonan did not talk with them. Conan and Shannan were the young boys, so the crying was a suitable way for them. "It's too late. Our friends are waiting for us. We must hurry," said Bolan to the orange boys. "I don't have any joyful in my soul. I won't play any music now," said Shannan with eyes full of tears. "What? What about our funny concert with lovely rabbits?" shouted Gonan. "We will fail, Gonan." "I'm sure everyone will make fun of us," said Shannan in a disappointed performance. But Gonan tried to spread the joyful spirit between the orange boys. So he did his best to encourage them to hurry up because the concert was very important for them and for their talented rabbits. Shakespeare Garden was plenty of more and more flowers which speak all the morning and sleep all the evening. The flowers of the garden were 2 kinds. The first kind is the good flowers which loves the orange boys and the talented rabbits. So these flowers inspired them to make the good music like a fresh air. On the other side, the second kind of Shakespeare flowers is the evil flowers which hates the orange boys and did not love the music, for the evil flowers were ready to do anything to prevent spreading the orange boy tones. In the past, the orange boys loved all kinds of Shakespeare Garden flowers. They used to smell both of them, but now, when they remembered the day in which their faces had been changed from their natural color to the orange, they could not love these evil flowers anymore. Now I will tell you the real story of changing the boys' color into orange to know why all the people in the Shakespeare Garden started laughing at them. One day, Molan, Conan, Bolan, Gonan and Shannan were playing their musical boxes with their friendly rabbits. Then Molan Rabbit shouted with hurt, "My stomach! I'm hungry! I'm hungry!" Molan asked Molan if his rabbit did not eat since the morning, and Molan answered him. Sylvia was an old woman who used to make delicious carrot juice and sold it to everyone in the Shakespeare Garden for money. The 5 boys looked for a way to feed Molan's rabbit, but they did not find any way. "Sylvia, solution is the old woman," Conan said in a loud. "But we have no money yet," Molan answered him. "We have to wait after our concert, but it will take a long time, and my rabbit is very hungry," Molan said. The 5 boys agreed that they will take Sylvia's carrot, and after the concert they will pay her. But the boys did not think of what would Sylvia do when she discovered the stealing of her carrots. On the next day, the old woman asked everybody in the Shakespeare Garden about her carrots. Only the evil flowers told her that the boys stole it for their hungry rabbit. At that time, the old woman ran away towards the sun and made a magic spell which could change the natural color of the 5 boys into orange as the same orange color of the sun rays on that hot day. When Sylvia made her magic spell that depends on the force of the orange sun, the boys' faces had been changed into orange color. While they were playing with the music boxes and the rabbits in the public concert in the white garden, that bad matter which forced everyone to laugh at them. All the people who gathered around them left their concert. The boys wanted to give Sylvia the money for the stolen carrots and apologize to her. But because of the accident, all the concert had been empty and no one came to listen to the music ever again. We must apologize to Sylvia, Shannon said. She would not forgive us, Vernon replied. Now the sun has escaped from the white sky and the moon took her place without delay. So that the orange boys were very sad and tried, and they slept in the garden next to the good flowers and they dreamed the same dream at the same time. All the 5 orange boys saw a kind man with a smiling face. He had blue eyes and a faithful soul was talking to them and gave them more and more of carrots which they stole from Sylvia. When they woke up, they did not find anything around them, but they still felt good. Then they started their concert. The boys with the rabbits played music in the Shakespeare Garden, close to the best good flowers which loves their music. During the play of the orange boys in the classical music boxes, the smell of the good flowers were better. After that, the smell became very inspiring which made everybody taken by its charm. All the people in the garden fell in love with the smell. All of them came rapidly to the concert, listened to the Orange Boys' music without making fun at them. When the Orange Boys finished their concert, they earned enough money. So they went to the old woman, gave her the money and sang a beautiful song for her as an apology. Soon Sylvia forgave the boys and their orange color was gone.